We're here in Hudson, Wisconsin at the cut-through pass at Hanley Road to talk about rock morphology. It's the only thing we're going to do in this video, and we're just going to introduce the idea by showing a really good example of just what that rock morphology looks like. Here at the cutout, you can see that this stuff is actually in between here. It's very much like dirt, like dust. It's crumbleable, and I'd like you to think of this like, you know, a cake. When you underbake a cake, the middle of the cake is, well, it's mushy and it's crumbly. And that's exactly what we find here. If you looked at this from above, at the very middle of this arch, you find this sort of not quite cooked rock. We're going to look further down, and I'm going to show you what it looks like and when it was closer to the heat and the pressure of the discharge that formed this area. Let's walk down here real quick. See, now down here in the spring, we can only do this kind of an image, this kind of a video, because the grass and all that is dead and the brush. But you can see here that we get closer. Come on in close. You can see that down here you get that really nice layering from limestone that you see in a lot of other areas. But this one is not turned off. My hands are all red. There's no red in this rock. This rock experienced a higher degree of pressure and heat than the rock in the middle. So when you think about rock morphology, what you're thinking about, what you're looking at, is you're looking at degrees of a baked cake. In the middle, the cake didn't get quite so baked. But on the edges, it baked into these really nice, really thin limestone sheets like we find all over the place. Peace.